please. Let them know the release you are seeking. The flag bearer will be addressing you put all those matters. We do not want to win out.
So after the address, we can speak to the spokesperson.
Bless.
So we should have taken the day you want to do. All in one floor. No, after this evening, we just filed. Confirm to you that we filed Electoral Commission calling on behalf of the Black Bearer John Dramani. Just confirm. He just confirmed to you. He just confirmed to you.
Come there.
Sammy,
Come there. Come there.
no headquarters.
No, he's not there.
Yeah. Yes. We are saying that we can confirm to you that for the instructions of our flag bearer John Dramani Mahama, the lawyers have filed a petition challenging the constitutionality of the 2020 presidential results declaration.
What do you say?
Is that?
What do you say?
He will speak to that at 8 p.m. when he addresses the nation. And the petition is now in public document, and so you will see that for yourself. After his address, the spokesperson can throw more light on what our case is and what we are seeking from the courts. Thank you. All right. Thank you.
They call you. Oh, not okay. Now they call you. So the opposition National Democratic Congress, that's the NDC, led by Edward Tamaklo and Sami Jemfi, just filed application at the apex courts of the land to challenge the election 2020 results. That's the presidential. According to Edward Tamaklo, the flag bearer who they filed the application on his behalf will be addressing the nation and party faithfuls at 8 p.m. tonight. So they would not like to go into details what they have in the application that they have filed at the apex court of the land. But according to the flag bearer, when it comes out to make the announcements, he will outline or mention some of the reliefs that they are seeking the court to address for them in the application that they have filed at the apex court. So they will not give any further communication. The only thing that they can tell the media is they have filed an application at the courts for now. So after the flag bearer had spoken there, they will come out to engage the media. For now, they will not have any further information. That the only information that you have for us, they have yes indeed filed at the apex court of the land over the election results at the 7th January that was held. The flag bearer has already said, that's John Dramani Mahama, is saying that the election was rigged, it's freshened, and he is going to challenge. And today happens to be the last day shoot for them, because the new CI says that after the election you only have 21 days if you want to take it to the courts, or you don't understand one or two things, you want to take it to the court for the court to speak on your behalf. For you only have 21 days, and today happens to be the deadline. So they just filed the annual application at the apex court of the land. It was led by Sami Jemfi and Edward Tamaklo led the NDC to file the application. Early on the lawyer who we saw in 2012 election petition hearing, that is Chachikata, was here with the Attorney General. They fixed out over the Ahoy injunction that he has placed on the Attorney General Akufo-Addo is challenging the case at the apex court of the land, saying that the High Court does not have the power to deal with such case. And so we saw Chachikata came here early on, and they were battling up in the courtroom. They were debating in the courtroom, and the judge has adjourned the case to Monday. So Monday they will come for the judgment, the verdict on that case, whether or not the High Court has the powers to sit on the case of the Hohoi constituency, that Honorable Peter Amewu. So far, that's the only seat that the MPP won in the voter region, and so they are trying to see that there are some illegalities that went on, and we will see to that what will happen on Monday. But those of us who are just joining us on who just join us on Facebook, the NDC has filed application at the apex court, at the Supreme Court. It was led by Sami Jemfi and Edward Tamaklo. They are seeking to challenge the election result announced by the chairperson of the Electoral Commission. As earlier on, the flag bearer has said that they will not accept the result of any rigged or friction election, and that is what they are basically doing. Already the NDC has been protecting across the country. They has been protecting across the country, and sometimes you see them, they are vandalizing government or public properties, and so the police went to courts to stop them from further, to bar them from any further demonstration again, and the police application was granted. So they went ahead to say that the NDC has been barred for, but the NDC legal team also faced out with the police, saying that the police does not have the right, or the court does not have the right to curtail what is known as a fundamental human right, because one of the rights is they have the right to protect or to demonstrate. But others are the school of thought that if you want to protest or demonstrate, do that in accordance with the law. Already, Kodale has applauded the NDC for taking the step to come to court and has also urged the flag bearer to call his people to order. Already, yesterday, John Dramani Mahama said that yes, they will proceed to court today. That's what they just did. But as for the protesting, it's within their rights. They will not end it any too soon. They are still going to protest because, according to them, 8 lives has been lost until the security apparatus or the security agencies or the government takes up the case to prosecute or punish those security officers who later on took the life of innocent Ghanaians. They want to see that they are punished before they will rest. So the flag bearer will be addressing the country tonight at 8 p.m. with regards to their application that they filed at the Supreme Court. My name is Joseph Ni Ankra, and this is Happy 98.9 FM.